Alrighty, so here we're looking at this linear model, and we're trying to figure out what does negative 4.8 represent for this linear model. So, first of all, what we have to figure out is, okay, wait, what is this negative 4.8? So, right here, we see it next to the x. It's the coefficient of x. When it's the coefficient of x in a linear equation, like we have here, the equation of a line, that is your slope. So the slope is negative 4.8. Now, if only the question was that easy, then we could stop right there. But unfortunately, we got to kind of dive into this a little bit more. So we want to talk about what that negative 4.8, that slope, means in terms of this problem. Well, we have to remember that slope is the change in the y. So that's an n, change in the y, and it's over the change in the x. Now, what we're looking at here, this line is going down, so it's the slope is negative, which we see here. And what's happening is, since our slope is this negative 4.8, we could consider it as something like 4.8 over 1. So the change in y, it's going down by 4.8 for every 1 that it goes across in x. Which again is great, but we need to relate it back to the problem. So the y represents items sold in thousands. So it's going down, or there's a decrease in 4 by 4.8 thousand, or 4,800, whatever this is, being sold. And that's for every, and then that's price per item. So for every dollar that it goes up, the number sold goes down by 4,800. So it goes down by 4,800 for each dollar in the cost. So basically what this is saying, as the cost goes up, the price that you're selling an item for goes up, the number of them tends to go down, which hopefully that makes sense to you as well, in that, generally speaking, if it costs more, you're probably not going to be buying as much of it, whereas if it costs less, maybe you could buy a little bit more of it. But in this case, the negative 4.8, what it means is it's our slope, but it means that for every $1 we go up in the cost, we're going down 4,800 number of items sold.